Hey, it's Ronny from the Good Hair Company. I gotta come up out this bonnet, honey. Look at my hair. It's dry and it's tangled and it's just not. No, we not doing this. This is not what we finna do. So let me get some moisturizer and get myself together. Let me get this together real quick. I'm hold on. Let me come back with this. Okay. So I didn't moisturize my hair. And now, y'all, I'm just about to speed through real fast and detangle my hair. And I mean, like, super fast. I'm moving at superhuman speed, just combing, and I'm having the time of my life detangling my hair right now. This is just like exhilarating, y'all. Like, you see all this hair, and I got a sensitive scalp. Like, y'all say tender headed, but it's a sensitive scalp. So, I'm gonna make sure that I hit my scalp with this Nourishing Hair Oil because it's gonna nourish my scalp and nourish the root of my hair, and it's gonna stimulate my scalp and promote healthy hair growth. So y'all see all that new growth versus that bleached hair. Like I'm getting it together, y'all. I'm wanting to grow out just a little bit because I like my length, and I'm gonna cut my ends, or I'm gonna trim it a couple inches and get it together. But in the meantime and in between time, this Nourishing Hair Oil is helping me achieve my goals by getting my hair healthy as I grow it out. And so after I detangle my hair, I'm gonna just split it down the middle and do the Pocahontas braids. That's my little cute protective style for the day. My little Pocahontas braids. So the Nourishing Hair Oil and the brush that I'm using is available on the goodhairco.shop. Thanks you guys for watching the video, and you guys have a good one. Bye.